I'm Cynllun from Ysgol in Swansea.
I'm Sarah from Ysgol Rhyng-genhedlaeth.
And we've been meeting some older people from our community.
They've been talking to us about how the area has changed.
Bryn y Môr nawr wedi symud lawr o Gwbwrla. A so ddysgu Gwbwrla, yn Gwbwrla, oedd yr fach, a symudio'r o...
In our school, all our lessons are in Welsh. But when Howard was in school, things were different.
When I was in junior school, I was in a Welsh school. And then when leaving Welsh school, I had to go to secondary school. There were no secondary schools in the area, so I had to go to an English school. We only had one Welsh lesson every week, which was more of a gamble than anything, because the other pupils just didn't want to know what was going on because it was Welsh.
How important is it to you now that there are more opportunities for young people to speak Welsh?
I feel very proud that I've contributed my little bit, where my son and my daughter, my grandchildren now, are in the Welsh medium, and it makes me feel proud that we've done this now, and the language is going, and it's going from strength to strength, rather than dying out as it was when I first came to Swansea.
Indeed. If you wasn't paying attention, you had a piece of chalk thrown at you.
Ronald and Barbara have been talking to us about what discipline was like at their school.
We used to get punished for talking, and you had to be sitting at your desk and stand when the teacher came in, and sit down when the teacher told you, and then have the lesson. So, yes.
Did you ever get told off for anything in school?
Oh, many times, many times.
Did they give any corporal punishment?
With the cane, I had it once for talking in art, and unfortunately the teacher was rather small, and she used to stamp when she hit you with the cane, but it didn't hurt because she stamped her foot so hard.
I had to speak in out of class, and I've already been told not to, you know. I would be told to come to the front of the class, and he'd have the cane on his desk, and I'd be given 2 or 3 strikes with the cane on each hand. You didn't speak again for a while.
Thank you. Diolch. We've learned some fascinating things about our area.
I'm Cynllun from Ysgol in Swansea.
I'm Sarah from Ysgol